I'm on a little bit of a losing streak, but it's okay. You know what? I'm just out of the fight because I'm not feeling well. Alright, that's the only reason. Mm, this coffee. This coffee's gonna get me through this match. Spike the Mighty. Dude, that's awesome. Don't let anyone hate you for having a dog name, okay? Spike is cool. Hey, we got into Johnny's Pride, mate. Let's go. Love to see that. Trying to see what the play would be. Maybe we get a Johnny out as soon as possible. I'm sure he has some way of controlling the board, but it's fine. Another Helia. That's okay. Yeah, let's just run it. Let's just try and deal damage to him. I don't know what combo he's trying to achieve here. Some sort of mill strategy in white-green. Cavern of Souls? That's crazy. That's crazy. Alright. Damn. I played that so wrong. It's fine. Could have got more life, but it's fine. I get one card draw. And then she warps away. I might warp the other Helia. I ain't gonna lie. Interesting strategy we got going on here. Let's just do this again. If it ain't broke, you know? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright. You know, I don't think we're aggressive enough, but we're at least trying. Okay. Well, we'll put down our Helia. At the beginning of your end step, return an enchantment. What do you have here? He doesn't have any enchantments just yet. Honestly, during each of my turns. Yeah, I guess we'll just go for that. There we go. Another land. Maybe I need to take lands out of this deck, bro. I don't know what's going on, but I'm getting way too many lands. Go to combat. Oh. Guys, we broke him. Oh, let's go. We're back where we started. Dude, I just wanna hit at least high gold this season. Is that too much to ask? For someone as unskilled as me, that might be a little too much to ask, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so I swapped a couple cards out of my deck. I think things are gonna go a little bit better for me, but we'll see. I went down from 25 lands to 23, but I figure a lot of cards in my deck are really cheap. Like, it only goes up to, like, mana value 4 cards. So, I think I should be alright. I took 2 lands out and I still started with 4 lands. That's okay. I actually really like this hand. We got a ley line. Okay. You know what? We'll do this. And we're on the draw. We go second. Okay. No, it's actually going really great. I got a 2-drop, 3-drop. We kind of have like a little plan going on here. He's playing white as well. Is he also playing mono white? That would be crazy. Oh goodness, you're kidding me. He has a flyer? Dude, that is like just our luck. Oh my goodness. The perfect counter to our awesome start with the ley line is a flyer. And you just so happen to have it.
Another one.
See, now we can't even come through with any of our 1/1s. No blocks. Gosh, bro. It's not ideal at all. Okay. Yeah, let's do no attacks for now. If he attacks, I'm probably gonna block with the Ruin Lurker. Because I have another one in hand. I can still sack the food token. Having a 4/4 is really gonna help us out here. See, like, I'd be fine with trading for the Healer's Hawk. We'll see what he does here. Best case scenario, he just doesn't even do anything. Come on. You wouldn't hurt a sick man while he's down. Come on. Wait, do I want to do that, though, at the same time? Do I really want to do that? No, let's go no blocks. I'm going back on what I said. We made our deck more aggro, and we're failing miserably at it. But we'll see how this goes. 1 white mana. Dude, he has cards in hand. Don't do this. There we go. We got our little 1/1. Not gonna lie, our 1/1's not gonna really be doing much, but it's fine. Let's see if he goes tradesies with these. I don't think he's gonna double block, but if he does, that's okay. Oh, good heavens. That's fine. We get to descent. Oh, that's actually perfect. We need this. We need that creature. Leave that on top. That's a-okay with me. We'll send Ruin Lurker as soon as possible. Okay, he's got a 3/1. That's J chillin'. No blocks. Alright. Exemplar of Light. Let's go. Bam, bam. Heck, bro. I'll send the cat, too. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright. It's looking pretty good. With Leonin out, too, it's also going to help us draw a bunch of cards. He seems to be struggling pretty hard with card draw right now. We'll get rid of this one. Bada bing, bada boom. Perfect. Give me the card draw. Oh, it's it's looking pretty fantastic right now. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, we'll send those. 6/6 flyer. You love to see it. All our creatures are gonna get +2/+2 with the ley line too, because we're gonna have 7 life higher than our starting total. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay. He quit. He quit. Dude, we take those. We take those. I love winning against a deck that is, like, extraordinarily similar to mine. It makes me feel great. Doesn't make me a better player. I'll tell you that. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Have a good one. Take care. Pray that I get better.